Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe. It is the Kaleji Masala. This Kaleji Masala, I'm going to do it on my favorite tawa. I've already heated the tawa. Now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of oil on this and 5 tablespoons of ghee. The ghee is melted. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, 1 inch cinnamon, 2 black cardamoms and 10 peppercorns. I'm just going to fry it for a few seconds and I'm going to add 3 onions finely chopped. I'm going to fry these nice and golden. Our onions are nice and golden. I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste each. 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste. And I'm going to saute this till all the raw smell goes off. I'm going to add 5 green chilies that I have slit. And I'm going to add 2 tomatoes that I have finely chopped. And I'm going to go on cooking this till the tomatoes are nice and soft. You know, my mom, when she used to cook mutton, she used to always cook it in ghee, and I used to always wonder why, because you know, ek to mutton is very heavy and ghee is also heavy. But yes, the dish used to turn out really tasty. So she told me that, you know, basically mutton is very heaty. And to nullify that effect, you use ghee because ghee is very cooling. I don't know how far this is true, but I can always vouch for one thing. Mutton cooked in ghee really tastes awesome. The tomatoes have got nice and soft. Now I'm going to add the rest of the spices. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. I'm going to mix this well. Let it cook for a few minutes. I'm going to add a little water to this gravy so that it doesn't burn. And I'm going to saute it further till the oil oozes out. The moment you add water to this, see the gloss that comes on the gravy. And now the hero of the dish, I'm going to add half a kg of mutton kaleji, which is called liver. Mix this well. I have sauteed this kaleji for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add a cup of beaten curd. I'm going to mix this well and then I'm going to let it cook for 7 minutes. I'm going to give you an exciting option. Instead of using mutton kaleji, you can use boneless chicken in this and you can serve it as a lovely starter when you have a party. The only thing is, when you're using boneless chicken, don't cook it for more than 5 to 6 minutes, otherwise the chicken becomes a little chewy. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of garam masala and some salt. Mix this really well. The aroma is outstanding. And now I'm going to simply switch off the flame and garnish it with freshly chopped coriander. And our dish is ready. This is a hot favorite in my family, and also when I have parties, most of my friends request me to make this dish. So you do try this dish too and let me know. For such quick, amazing recipes, keep watching Get Curried.